This tutorial is on Operation Report. This is very important if you do not know the fob number of somebody. So let's suppose you have somebody that shows up, they have a fob, but you can't make out the number on it, or you simply just don't know what the number is. What you would have them do is go to a nearby door associated in your building and have them swipe their fob on that door. And then you're going to go into the quick report. You're going to select for the day in question. And you could actually select all sorts of different things here. We're going to go ahead and select access. We could select abnormal. If their fob worked and let them in, it would be a normal event, but if it did not work, you could hit abnormal. But I'm going to put both in this case. We just want to view it locally, so we'll hit next. And what it's doing now is going out to the database and getting me all the events. Now, my report that's going to pop up here is going to show you everything district-wide because I have access to everything district-wide. You should only see the events associated with the access level that you're granted. So if you only have control of your particular school, that's all the access events you should see on this report. And here you see all the different events. So what you would do is you would scroll clear to the bottom, and chances are it's going to be one of the last events that have occurred. And you're going to see access denied, bad access level. But the key thing is it's going to show you what the number of the fob is. So you want to write that number down, and then you can go back to your users, add a user, and put the person's name in that for that fob, and then put this whatever number in that their key fob has. And that's how you use the report generator to give you good information. Another reason you might want to do this is, let's suppose something came up missing. You could find out who has been in the building on particular days by selecting the correct days when you went to the quick report. We'll hit finish. You can also do a users list. So and you can use a filter here too, so if you want to know. But if I just hit next here, and I'll pause the video while it gets all the rest of the thing because there's a lot of users in this system. Okay, we're finished. And this report generated a rather huge amount. There's over 1,000 users in the system. And so here's everybody by last name and their card numbers associated. You can export this as a PDF if you want to save it so you can print it, or you can export it as an Excel format where you can bring it into a spreadsheet and manipulate the data if you wanted to. And that's all there is to the operation reports.